Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nara Savage. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Joining as a member, membership gives you access to videos firsthand and amazing, authentic videos that would never make it to the public. It's only going to be on my memberships platform. So please join in as a member. The link is down below in the description box so you guys can go check it out. Guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this reversible laptop sleeve. Now, this is one amazing make I love and I enjoyed making it. So in my case, I have ties. You guys know me, I love, cute things. So I use ties, bow ties basically for the closure of this. If you want to use Velcro, press buttons, I mean, you can use them. But in my case, I am using these ties and they turned out really, really nice. And again, you don't need a zipper for this particular tutorial. I don't like zippers, so this is perfect for me. So guys, let's get into this amazing tutorial. So guys, for this, you're going to measure your width and your length of your laptop. So the wide part and the short part, you're going to measure it. So after measuring it, the long side, you're going to add 3 inches to this measurement. Now add this 3 inches because when you pad it, it's going to take, the padding is going to take away from these inches. So you need enough room so that your laptop can enter inside like when you're done. Then for the other side, the short side, you're going to multiply what you have by 2. In my case, is 9.5. So times 2 is 19 inches. And then this 19 inches, I'm going to add about 6 to 8 inches. Now I'm doing this as a voiceover because when I was sewing this, I left only 4 inches, which is why the overlap was very short in my own case. So in your case, add 6 to 8 inches. Don't add 4 inches like me. So for me, the measurement I was supposed to measure was 19 inches. So 9.5 times 2 is 19 inches plus 6 will give me 25 inches, right? So 25 inches is what I was meant to cut out. So I would have not gotten any short overlap. Now guys, you're going to take one of the fabrics. So for your main fabric, for whatever fabric even that you want to even use for your padded part, you are going to add padding to it. So you can use breast pad, you can use this foam, you can use anything to pad your fabric basically. So once you've padded it, you're now going to take your fabric. I'm going to use the brighter fabric so you guys can see it well. So I'm going to place it down right here and I'm going to measure 10 inches from the base right here. So 10 inches from here, I'm going to measure it up. Once I've gotten 10 inches, I'm going to fold it at the 10 inches point, right sides facing each other. Now guys, you can also choose to slant your cover basically. So you can choose to slant it, curve it, or leave it like this. Whatever rocks your boat, just give it a quick cut so that it can have an angle. But if you don't want it, it's fine. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold it just like this, and they are going to sew it from this point right here down on both sides using half of an inch down on both sides. Now you're going to do the same for this fabric as well. So fold it in by 10 inches, right sides facing each other, and then sew it along the two sides. Now, if you are doing an angle on it, make sure you are doing both of them simultaneously so that it's equal. So do it together and then sew it down 10 inches down. Now again, for the padding of this, I'm going to be sewing quilting lines. So before I even sew it together, I'm going to be sewing quilting lines along the top. Now you will remember in my heart-shaped bag, I did quilting lines. So I showed you guys how I made my quilting lines on my bag basically. So guys, I have sewn it. Can you see what it looks like? I have sewn it. I have also cut this slant here. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn this one to the right side. So remember I said I did quilting lines. Those are the lines that you're seeing right here. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but turn this to the right side. And now once you've done that, what you're going to do is you're going to place this inside this one. So you're not turning the second one to the right side. You're going to place this inside this one. And then you're going to sew it along the entire top just like this, but you're going to leave a space that you're going to turn it inside out from. Guys, this is what it looks like. I have sewn it together. Now I'm going to turn it inside out, and then we're going to top stitch all around the top parts. So you're going to top stitch all around when you turn it inside out so that this top part will stay flat. So guys, can you see I have top stitched the top part of it? Now when you close your bag, you're going to do like this. And if this side starts opening just like this, you're going to need 4 straps. So in my case, instead of using 1 strap for the 2 sides just like this, so these are my straps. I'm using 4. On a normal day, if this wasn't protruding out, I'm going to use only 2. So one will be here and one would be right here, so that once I tie it, it's going to just cover it. Now, if you don't have time to do 4 straps, just do this 2, and if you can deal with it, like just opening up a bit, it's fine. Now, what I'm going to do now is put one here and one here, and then put another strap here and put another strap right here. So with that, I'm going to have closed, the case is going to be closed basically. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to my machine and I'm going to put 2 straps right here and 2 at the corresponding points on the other side. So just sew it to it right here, then open it up like this and sew it here and sew it here. So guys, if you want your ties to be on both sides, so both fabrics, you're going to put your ties on the other fabric, on the other side, basically your 4 ties or your 2 ties, depending on what you used in the beginning. So in my case, I don't want it. If I want to use the Ankara part in my case, I would just tie it on the inside and let the ties just dangle down. So that's what I'm going to do in my own case. So now I'm going to turn my laptop sleeve to the other side and put my laptop inside so that you guys can see what it looks like. I'm going to tie it and you guys are going to see how cute it looks. I love this tutorial. Like, I love making this laptop sleeve. It was so easy to make and so enjoyable basically. I hope you guys loved it. If you try it out, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations. I would love to showcase your work with all my growing followers and even here on YouTube. Guys, please subscribe to the channel. Joining as a membership gives you access to videos firsthand and videos that will probably never make it to the public. And yes, guys, until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night, wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.